Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Sane. Well, it's Friday, and we are going to take a spelling assessment with your words for this week. So if you will look in your Friday packet, you will find a page that looks like this. And this is going to be where you record your spelling words. All right, so I need you to get this page out. And the first thing you do when you take an assessment is you make sure your area is completely clean and clear and there's nothing to distract you. The only thing you need is your paper and a pencil. All right? So take this opportunity, pause the video so that you can make sure you have a completely clear and clean surface. Nothing should be in front of you but a piece of paper and a pencil. All right, pause the video, go do that, and then we'll start again. And we're back. All right, we are ready to start with your very first spelling word assessment for second grade. Are you feeling good about it? I know you've been practicing your high frequency words all week long. You've been doing different activities with your spelling words, with your My Choice that's in your packet. So I think you're ready. I think you're ready. I think you should feel good about this. All right. So number one, I'm going to say the word and then I'll use it in a sentence and I'll say it again. You write the word for number one. Are you ready? Yes. Number one is yes. Yes, I love chocolate ice cream. Yes. Number two, job. Job. I did a good job on my homework today. Job. Number three, hug. Hug. I give my dog Booney a hug when I come in the front door. Hug. Number four is rest. Rest. Lay down and get some good rest. Rest. Number five is frog. Frog. The frog jumped out of the pond. Frog. Number six, hum. Hum. Hum the song to me. Hum. Number seven, left. Left. The opposite of right is left. The antonym of right is left. Number eight, melt. Melt. The ice will melt in this heat. Melt. Number nine, plum. Plum. The plum is ripe and juicy. Plum. Number 10. Shut. Shut. The door was shut, not open. Shut. Number 11. Net. Net. She caught a fish in her net. Net. Number 12. Dot. Dot. A period at the end of a sentence looks just like a dot. Dot. Number 13. Glad. Glad. She is glad that her grandma came. Glad. Number 14. Fix. Fix. My mom can fix anything. Fix. Number 15. Jam. Jam. I like raspberry jam on my peanut butter sandwich. Jam. Number 16. List. List. I make a list of things to do so I don't forget. List. Number 17. Puddle. Puddle. My little girls used to love to jump in every puddle they found. Puddle. Okay. Your last word, number 18, is helmet. Helmet. Don't forget your helmet when you're on your bicycle. Helmet. Okay, boys and girls, if you needed any of these repeated, you can rewind the video and play it again so that you know that you got all of your words correct and you know you got all of the words that were called. All right? When you're finished, make sure your name and your date are on the top of the page. Don't forget. And you're going to turn that in so that we can see how you did on your words this week. And you know what? I'm excited. I think that you guys have practiced so much this week that you're just going to blow this out of the water. I'm really proud of you guys. So I'm going to be looking forward to seeing all of your first spelling.